Hi friends, welcome back to Tutorials, and in this video you are learning Angular. In this video we are going to discuss about Angular components. In the first video you saw how to install application. In case you have not followed our last two videos, then I recommend you to please follow the last video. Then you will be able to understand it fully. Anyway, now let's discuss about this. So Angular is composed of full of components. Okay, Angular application is nothing but combination of bunch of components. So let's see this example. So this is header. Let's take any website example. So this is header, this is left, this is footer, this is center, and this is right. Okay, so in Angular what will happen, we will create header component, we will create left component, we will create here center component, we will create right component and footer component, and we will call all the components app module app component, and ultimately this will show the structure like this. So I will show you with practical example. Now let's come here, and this is our app component.html. So let's do one thing. Let's first install uh, Bootstrap. So the easiest way to integrate Bootstrap is here, Bootstrap CDN. Just write this and click here on Bootstrap CDN. Now I just click on this link, so it's copied. Now close it. Let's go to index.html, and before closing the head tag, just paste it. Now we can use Bootstrap. So here in this, what we will do, just let's delete this, and then write here div, and then if you know Bootstrap, then you will be able to understand this very well. Class container fluid. Okay, inside this we will write here, we can write here header, and then header, and so inside this we will write here class container, and below here we will write here div and div. Inside this we will write here so inside header we will call Bootstrap navigation. So let's go here, Bootstrap nav, then let's click here. You can see there are different Bootstrap navigations in. So in my all application normally I select this one, but you can select whatever you like. So just click here and I will paste this. Okay, now let's see if it's running or not. It's running. So now let's check. You can refresh it. So I will work with that really. Oh, this didn't work because we had removed from this one now. So now let's Ctrl Z and template URL. That's why it was not showing there. Now let's refresh it. So app component.html template URL. Now you can see the navigation is successfully showing here. So let's do one thing. Here in style.css, where is that? Style.css, we will write here menu. Okay, then background color. So let's take any of these. So this is menu. We can call here so let's go to here app component.html, and then inside this header let's put this class also. Or not here actually, let's paste the class name is dot menu. So just let's, what happened, unexpected closing tag header. Header, so oh, so menu, you can see this is your header. So now, so what we will do, we will create left, right, center. Okay, so here class row, then inside here left class left, not class left actually, md call 3. Okay, so this will be left, then right, and this will be center. So 3 3 6, then 6 center. Okay, and then here we will write footer and footer. So footer, and here it will be class row, and this one div class call md12, left, center, right. So there is something wrong, I think. Class row, oh, call md and not md call, md call md, here also call md. Okay, now you can see this is left, this is center, this is right. So let's do one thing, put here class container also, container. Okay, so left, center and right, and this footer we need to write here container class also, container. Okay, and then div class row. Okay, now it's fine. Then what we will do, let's go to style.css and right here sidebars min height 700 px. Now let's copy this sidebar and paste here in the left side and in the right side. We can paste there also. So this will be the minimum height. Okay, 700. Now the footer is in the bottom. If I want to give style to footer, then I can write here background color black, color white. Okay, that's it. Footer. So now this is our footer. Okay, so let's do one thing. Left background color aqua. Right background color, say this. Here left right, then center, center. So background color, take any blue. Now, so this is our whole structure. Okay, left, right, center. Now you might be thinking that I'm teaching you design. So actually not that one. What we will do now, let's create components. So press Ctrl C, then it will be broken. Now ngg c header. So this is the command for creating new component. Okay, so either you can write ng generate component, then header. So either you write this long code or simply you write here ngc header, then a new component will be created. Let's see. Here you will see inside app component, you can see here a new component called header is created automatically here with these files. So now let's come here and check what is in this side. Okay, now when you go to header component.ts file, here you can see the same structure here. Okay, so what we will do, this is the selector. Okay, just copy this selector and go to add component.html and check where is header component here. Okay, now let's cut this nav section and paste here header component.html. Okay, and then this let's close it. Let's close style also. Inside this head component we will call the selector. Which selector? Header selector, this one. Just copy this and call here where we cut it like this. Okay, so it is more of like including the file. If you come from PHP background, then you might be knowing include or require ones, so it is something like that. Okay, if you check here, then there is no difference in output. Okay, now we need to, okay, so let's first create other components also. So header, then left. So let's create one by one. Okay, left is created. Now let's create right component and then center component. This is the component we are writing, center component, and then finally footer component. Now if you see the structure, you can see here center, footer, header, left, right, all the components are created here. Okay, so now what we will do here, let's go to left component and click on left component.ts. So the name is app left. Okay, so here we will call app left, and in center it must be the same name, app center, then app right. If you want to verify, then you can go and check here, it must be app right. Okay, this. So let's write here app right and app right, and for footer it must be, we will call directly here app footer, app footer. Now this code we will cut from here and paste inside this footer. So where is footer, then paste here inside HTML code here, footer. Inside header it's already pasted, footer is already pasted, and now inside right HTML, let's write here right side. In the left side, let's write here left works. The left side, and in center, with center here, we will write center component. Now let's check into the browser, but before that let's start again. So let's start the server again, press enter, and then let's check into the browser once it runs. Okay, so now our server started. Now press enter, just refresh it, you can see the whole structure. In fact, what is happening here, this is our header component, this is left component, this is center component, this is right component, and below is footer component. And combining all these components, this whole interface is generated and served to the users. Now let's carry back to here, this is structure, and you can see. So in this case, what happens here, inside app, this is the master template. Okay, so this component is the parent component, this one, this is parent component, right? And all these are child component. Which one? Center, footer, header, left, right. These all are child component of app component. So this is how you call your parent component and child component in Angular. So hope you understand how the whole component works in Angular. So guys, still if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, and also like, and please write your comment in your comment box. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.